prior to doing quality control is just getting some blogs and making sure links work. So to get blogs, we're going to go to first how to post them and how to delete them. So there's already some blog posts here. They're not related to the HVAC space, so we're just going to delete them all. And we're going to create 5 new ones. 3, 4, and 5. So I've already selected 5 topics that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and post these in the sections for the titles. And then I will show you how to create them using ChatGPT. Again, you could do all this manually. You can hire someone for the purpose of this article or this video. We're going to be just doing it via ChatGPT. We're going to be So while this is loading, we're going to go ahead and do some formatting. So there's some categories. We're just going to have a category called blog. Default template. Let's see if there's any pictures we can use. Media library. We will just use some of these standard. Let's go to, where is it? Oh, here, save draft. And go again to blog. Generally, this should be already preloaded, but we are gonna add some of these. Save draft. Blog. Final 2. Blog. Just some pictures. Save draft. And let's just do the final one. Blog. And we're going to use, what's this one? Okay, so looks like this one's completed. Let's do another one. And then we're going to go to edit, as this is much easier to use than the traditional WordPress text editor. Much more customizable. Let's see. There's the image. And we're going to come to this actually after we finish here real quick. I'm going to add just text editor. Text editor, I guess while we're waiting for these to load, show you how you can change the appearance on these widgets. So right now you can see there's categories, recent news, comments, recent posts. Let's go ahead and clean some of this up. We're going to remove the recent comments and tags as well. So we're going to delete that. I think, let's see, recent news, categories. We're going to remove categories. What else do we have? Recent comments, recent. I'll leave recent posts. Search. Okay, we're going to keep search. Looks like there's recent news that we're also going to delete, which was this one. So what remains is a search. Looks like there's 2 searches. This one looks better, so we're going to remove the first one. let's see. That should be okay. The second one done, continue. Let this finish. Okay, let's actually save this and let's refresh it to see if the widgets have updated. Yeah, you can see here search and recent posts. Make a little switch where search is up top. Let's refresh this. There we go, search and recent. Okay, let's go to the third one. So while this is, there's issue. Let's try this one. Let's go ahead and copy this and get it to this. And we're just gonna do some formatting. Remove these. Actually, we'll just leave this as is. Okay. Make sure the title is correct. So, good thing. Is this the correct article? Let's just make sure. Seasonal HVAC maintenance, yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, this should be near the end of the first article. Okay. And that's that. Okay, so we're going to publish this. See what it looks like. And you can see here recent posts. This one now showed up, and here's your article. Let's do the other ones as well first. Before, which one was this? Seasonal. This one. Finish that. Okay, we did seasonal. Next one is choose the right one. So we're gonna copy this. And I need for the ending. That. While that's going, we're gonna edit this up. Okay. Okay, looks like this article is ready to publish almost. Again, you should probably, if you are going to be using AI for your articles, or ChatGPT or anything else of that sort, just proofread it, make sure everything is correct. Sometimes these don't produce the most accurate information, and it's probably not something you want to share with potential customers. but let's go ahead and just get this live as it is a demo site. Here we go. Oh. And there we go. So this one is now ready to publish as well. Let's take a look. Oh, this image is, we'll have to go back and fix this image. Not the proper formatting. Okay. Let's go, next one is indoor air quality. So while we're waiting to get this to produce, we're gonna get this. And we're gonna add this here. And then looks like this one is already formatted, so we're just gonna go through and clean it up a bit. Okay, publish as well. We're gonna have a look. So let's go ahead in the home page. There was a blog section. Let's see how this is turning out. Let's see, I think, let's go to Elementor and see what the issue is, why these aren't showing up. There's generally a plugin. Here we go. That's why. So you can select which ones you want. That's why it's because they've been deleted. Let's just go to our most recent posts. Perfect. Seasonal. And the reason why these images are all different is because they're different formatting. We're gonna go ahead and after this final article is live, we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. So let's see if this is ready. There we go. I'm gonna copy this, put this here, then we'll quickly go through and clean things up. You can easily go ahead and just have ChatGPT remove these, but for the sake of this article, we're not going to do that. Just manually do it. Okay, so let's see which one of these look best. We're also going to go to the post page because we're going to have to go back and make changes. Oh, here we go. So let's go take a look. Oh, it's gotta get saved first. Okay, let's refresh. So we're just gonna change this one to match the others. So what we will we'll do, go back, let's see, the dimensions we need for this need to match 670 by 547. This should do the trick. All right, let's see. There we go. Now we have all of these saved. Same. Let's go to blog. See how it looks in the blog section. There you go. Let's go to read more. I'll send you to that page. Recent posts. Now, if you want it, we could just remove these. You can change the formatting. You can put some sort of banner right here, call button, call to action, contact form, whatever you see fit. Okay, this is also a little annoying, so we're going to change this as well. Let's see what other image we can find that matches the others. So, dimension 670. It's close enough. Let's see. Now let's view post. All right, it's a little better. So there we go. Now we have everything working, or content-wise, everything's all done. Now let's go ahead and check. Actually, there should be this one page that we need to clean up as well. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna edit this, and then we should be finished. We don't want it on the video. I'm not going to be making one. Pricing generally, since in HVAC space it's all unique, we're just going to remove the pricing. We're going to add this contact form. Our service, we're going to change this to Pro Local. All right, let's go to some of these. Probably quicker if we go to the home page and copy these. Oh, did not. What happened here? Oh. This must have been the original. Let's refresh. There we go. Should be, yeah. Okay. Discount budget. This other one is get confirmation. Okay, that's that. That's good. Let's work our way up. Okay, I think, is there anything here regarding these services? I believe desk cleaning, quality testing. So we have quality testing. We're just going to copy that. And we have heating services. That's it. So going to go here. So what remains is these four. Going to go back to ChatGPT. Okay. And we need it for here. These four. Commercial service, residential service, industrial service, and dust cleaning. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, should be, start with commercial. Okay, so copy these over. Commercial, residential, industrial, the final thing is dust cleaning. Okay. Let's publish this and then we'll go back to making sure all the content is good. Okay. So let's start off with the home page. Everything is done. Okay. We're going to go to linking. We're going to start with the ones that are the easiest. So get in touch. Get in touch sends you. Okay. So we're going to fix that. So let's go to, should be under customize. So the issue there was this needs to get to the contact page, which is this. Your service header. Somewhere with get in touch. Slide. No. No. Oh, get in touch. Here we go. So let's see if this has been sorted. I'm going to refresh this. Actually, let's refresh the home page. Get in touch sends you the contact page. Okay, very nice. What else do we need? That's just the action button. Contact now. Okay, so we also need to go through all of these pages and fix that. So let's open up all these pages and fix that. And also the home page. So let's start off here. Let's go ahead and this is a blog page which does not have it, so we're fine there. I'm gonna go ahead each one of these. Service page. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna have to also do this as well. So these are service pages that we did not add content for, which we need to do. But while we wait, let's do one job at a time. So does this have no, does not. But this has a service page. Oh. This just goes to the services. And there's some pages. So let's go ahead and do what we started to do and we'll come back. We need to clean. We need to, the contact button needs to go and get fixed. Okay, contact. Oh. Button. Okay, publish. This one does not have it. Okay, what about? Okay, we have two things here. Pro local and then the button. Okay. Does this one have it? No. That's been done. Okay. FAQ send message. Let's see. Okay. Do that for now. Do that. And this is the contact page. I believe this should be the final one. Okay. So let's go ahead and now test. And refresh. Let's start over here. Contact. Okay, that page is good. FAQ. This goes send message. Okay, that's good. Project. Does this have it? It does not. About us. Possibly. Yes. Okay, about us is good. Why us? Does not have it. Team. All good. Services page itself. We will come back to those. Okay, good. And the home page has it somewhere. No, it's not. Okay. So now we have that. So let's go back and see what's the next thing we need to do. So the contact page is all good. The blog page is all set. FAQ is all set, right? Yep. Project page is all good. Well, these have pages. Well, these are projects. We're actually going to make a quick change here because this is going to become a gallery and we don't want to link these. So what we're going to do is, let's see. Do these have links? They don't. So actually, let's go back something and check. I thought these were links. Oh, okay, these do link to repairman checking, and that's just services. So the case studies. Okay, so we will open all these. These also have to all get fixed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Looks like there's 2 of them, but this page also has to get fixed as well. This section, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. Publish. Okay. What else do we need to do? We also need to go look at YS and team. Then what else do we need to do? Those are all good. Might have to go to this as well. And go to services. We're gonna have to link these, but content-wise, it should be good. We're gonna do a next video for that. It's just getting a little too long.